Hi friends, let me show you this Elevoke space heater. It's kind of a portable heater and I receive it for reviewing purposes. You get, of course, the instruction manual, okay? You have to do a little bit of assembly just for the stand of the heater, okay? And the good thing is that you don't really need like tools to do it because it has this kind of knob screws. So it's really easy to put together, okay? Let's do it. It has a 5 feet electric cord, okay? Okay, has this leg to stop right there, no further than that. And of course you can put it to the exact direction that you want the heat to go, okay? Let's do it like this. There you go, okay? That's it. You can handle it by this part, okay? And you get, it has, let me show you, okay? You can use it as just as a fan, low or high fan, okay? And you can turn the heat on or off, okay? So you could use it just like a fan or a fan with the heat, okay? It's a 1500 watts, okay? Let's try it. And I'm going to start just with the fan, okay? Okay, you turn it on. And this is only the fan. No heat here, okay? And you can have low heat or high heat, okay? And it really feels hot. So it's a nice size. You can aim it to wherever you want the heat to go. It's not a lot of sound. It's not noisy, as you can see. And it's so easy to use. So it's just high heat, low heat, or only fan, okay? And it's just off and on. Easy to use, easy to set up, and easy to carry with you. Perfect. Thank you.